Oh shit. Sorry, I didn't even realize I was on. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Wednesday, August 10th. CPI hit, and it was a little bit of a big one, right? So one thing that happened was this ILC was respected, rejected, and it took off from here. But I see rejection, right? Then we had a break of structure downside, ILC created. Then when the price did come back up, another big rejection. So I'm kind of thinking we could see this happen again. We could see another rejection at open, maybe right here at this level, right? Because what I'm thinking is consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO, continuation down. That's what I'm thinking. So we could see something like I think it's possible to see something like this. All right, let's see. Now this is a risky trade just because we have that price broke up top, right? Broke up to the upside. The only reason I'm taking this was simply because of, there's a lot of respect being shown here, and it's even being shown here, right? And one of the things I like to do is consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO, continuation. So I'm strictly going off of, this market structure that I've grown to love, and it works most of the time. We'll see if it does today. Oh, sheesh. Yeah, so you can see it's pretty much rejecting it right here. We got about 7 minutes till open. That's what I'm going to be looking for at open. Um, so the one thing I am worried about, and what is kind of going to be the deal breaker. So this is a risky trade. I'm going to tell you guys that right now. This is a risky trade. Might not even make it up to this area, but we are going to see what's what. Price broke above it. Let's see what it's looking like on the 4 hour. Damn, I just noticed that. I just noticed that. The respect that was shown right here on the 4 hour. That's kind of crazy, actually. Um, Came down. Looked like it was going to punch through it. Bounced out of there with this ILC. Came back up, and now it's pushed up with the news. And again, if you don't know, we had a CPI that just came out today. Well, that doesn't make sense. So CPI came out today at greater than forecast is expected, but it shot up. So that's some of the shit that you got to be careful for. Um, And that's what I'm thinking, possibly we could see a little push up and then maybe we could take a trade. Now I'm going to use a small lot size on this trade. I'm not going to do anything crazy, anything big, just because I don't have a lot of confirmations other than market structure, consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO, continuation. So that's what I'm going based off. Here's the 5 minute. Yesterday when I was doing my trade journal last night, seen the support levels, seen that the golden zone was here, and I knew that once it did this right here and came up and respected this last night, I thought there was a good chance. I went to bed about this time and I was thinking, okay, it might reject this ILC, right? This little ILC right here is what I was looking for price to reject um, overnight to show us that continuation down. But instead, price broke through. Instead of selling off here, it broke through it, came through, used it as support along with the 50 EMA. And just before, or just at 5:30 when the news dropped, boom, shut the fuck up. Pretty nice. Pretty fucking nice. So overall, it's not too bad, but let's see what happens in terms of what price might do right here. Second. So see that? Let's see what it does right here, right? That's a big push right there, so I don't necessarily like it in terms of it coming back down to our zone because it's a big push, but still 2 minutes and 24 seconds left. Let's see what it does. Just got into that zone, right? See how it respected it? Might put a little something in. Got about 2 minutes till open. Let's see what's what. All right. See if it'll give it to us. Right here it open. I wouldn't jump in quite yet. Like I said, I want to see what happens at 6:30 if it gives us a nice rejection, or if it's just gonna, fly up on us, which are two, big possibilities. I'm not too sure the way it's looking. Like if it finishes like this, I'm not sure I like that because you can see it's an engulfing candle. This one candle took out the last five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost six candles. Well, six candles. So the past 30 minutes we're taking out just with this one candle, which I don't like. So we'll see right here. I don't have nothing in. Okay, I put the sell in right now. Not too sure though, but the sell is in. Ah, that thing looks like it's possibly going to go up on us. Yeah, I don't know if it wants to break. Looks like it's respecting it a little too much. Let's see. Let's see. I'm in there. Let's see if we can get it to do what we want it to do. It's going to be key for it to break the 1 minute 50 EMA. If it doesn't, right here, then we know that we're maybe looking for it to come back up on us. Nah, I don't like that. I'm going to move my stops to break even right now. I'm in at bottom position at 318. But it doesn't look like it's breaking it either, so that's why I'm doing it. Yeah, you see that? We need it to stay under here. If it flies up on us, well, yeah, you see that? I don't like that at all. Yeah, it did what I didn't want it to do. It looks like it's going to come up on us right here if it doesn't drop. This is exactly what I didn't want it to do. We need it to break through here and go below. That's not enough. We need it to fall through here and turn bearish. If it can break below here and use it as resistance and turn bearish, that's better for us, but that ain't going to work. Just took me out of the trade. It might go up on us now. I just got stopped out at break even. I like that. See if we can use it. I hop back in the trade right now. Let's see if it can really break below though. If it just uses this as support again, I'm going to jump out because it's going to push up on us. So this is key. It has to break below here, finish strong below here. If it just continues to wick out, then I'm not sure I like it. All right, let's see if it can break below. It's under here now, right? So let's see if it can stay under. If it goes on top and just doing that, I'm not sure. All right, I'm moving my stops to break even now. Let's see where the 5 minutes at. Five minutes way below. But like I said, I'm kind of on the fence of it because of that, right? Let's see if it can continue down. It's under it, under the EMA. That's a good thing for us. Let's just see if it can stay below and just come down. Got 14 seconds left. If this thing can turn bearish and stay bearish for the next 14 seconds, then we're in business. Hmm. It's not a lot of volatility right now. Damn. Not a lot of volatility at all, so let's see if it can do what we want it to do. Break below, break below, break below. Break below, break below, bear, 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 bear. Nah. See how it's somewhat using it as resistance, but if it stays bullish like this, then it might just build and build the next candle up, right? Just like that. I don't like that. Let's, let's see if it can turn bearish and come down. That's what we really want to happen. Bearish, come down here, fill. If we can have this turn bearish and fill down here, at least match this, then we're in business. But see, that kind of is showing a buildup, right? See that? Little support level. Let's break below. Come on now. Move your stops to break even again. Come on, man. Break through that motherfucker. Don't come up. Stay a bear, stay a bear. Looks like pretty strong. The strength is to the downside for sure. It's just a matter of price coming down and doing what we want it to do, right? Because the market could say something different. It could. I'm gonna pull some profits right now. Just a 0.02, so now I have a 0.04 loading. I just pulled $77. That put me at $70 for the day. Stops are at break even. So let's see if the rest can continue down. It's kind of respecting the 5-minute 20 EMA, which I don't like, right? Showing a little, even though it didn't tap it, it's showing some respect there, which I don't like. So let's see if it can use this as a resistance level and come down. It's rejected and fly down. But you're starting to see the crossover happen right here, right? The 20 EMA is just starting to cross over. We just need more time to get down here. Because we don't have all the confirmations, right, to take this trade. And this was a decent, right? We had it set up, hopped in the trade, was able to take it down to the downside, 50 plus pips. But are we going to really get to where we want to get to, right? So let's see if that happens right here. See if it can break below here and just continue this move down. And then we'll see the 20 slowly starting to be used as a resistance. So let's see. Come on now. So let me just do this the right way. We're stopped out here. Break even. I'm 40 pips. So I don't like how it's respecting this area, but I'm gonna just hold and see. Yeah, see, I don't like that. See, I don't like that. That's gonna, if it breaks above like that, then we're looking at a push up because the 5-minute 50 EMA, we're in an uptrend. It's not gonna look good. Yeah, I just got stopped out. I just got stopped out. My bottom position, I just closed it out on my own. Um, I don't really want to fight it too much. I think I might be looking for a buy, but I don't want to do that right here. Um, let's see if it breaks below again. So what I was looking for didn't happen, and I'm going to show you why. You got the 5-minute 50 EMA here. Look at how this 5 minutes about to finish, fully engulfed. Now, it's hard for me to want to take the buy right here, but just because it's going to engulf this and we're in an uptrend, it might just have a continuation up. So if it uses this EMA as support now, what we're using as resistance, if it uses it as support, then it's not looking too good for a sell. See that? Like I want to put in a buy, but I'm not sure. Let me see if this breaks below the EMA again, and if it does, then we have a shot to put in another sell. Man, there's not a lot of volatility after that CPI. Tell you that much. I don't have any sales in. I was basically stopped out at break even, so take note of that. I have nothing in right now. Again, I have nothing in. Take this trade at like 4 pips. See, it's still somewhat rejecting that area right there, right? Don't have anything in the trade yet. All right, let's see. So this is a kind of a weird predicament. Right here, we have the rejection, right? But we also have the EMAs right here. Not too sure what they're going to do. So I'm going to wait for it to come down some more. And if it uses this level as support and rejects it, I'll be looking for a buy. But if it breaks below the EMA, I'm going to be looking for a sell. Actually, let's see what it does here. See how I used it as support? Getting lost in the sauce right here. That is definitely what's happening is I am getting lost in the sauce. Just lost $80 mindfully, uselessly. I just put a buy in right now, but I'm not sure because I'm worried about this this level. Just respecting that area. But it has a push up. Uh, I'm thinking buy, but I don't want to put in a sell here. That's kind of where I'm at right now. Let's see if it can break the low here. That's what I want to see. I want to see if it's really going our way. Wow. It broke the low. You know what? I'm going based off of this, even though it broke on top of it. So I have a sell in right now, right on top of this. I'm thinking if it breaks below here, then we're in business. But if it continues to respect the 5-minute 50 or the 1-minute 50 EMA, then it's coming up on us. That's my prerogative. Let's see, I have a small position in a point zero 0.03. All these positions are smaller, just because I'm not too sure about the moves that are going to be made right here. But I'm back in here on a sell right about here. Stops right there. If it breaks below here strongly, we're in business. But let's see if it breaks below there strongly. Top position's up close to 30 pips right now, about 27 pips. I don't like that rejection. Yeah, I don't like that rejection at all. See if it can stay below here. If it stays below, I think we're in business. I'd like to see it finish preferably down here. Strong finish. But this will do too. See if this gets on top, then it's not looking so great. Let's see. Has to stay below here using it as resistance and just come down. Come down, Johnny Brown. Come down, Jackie Brown. Ah, just added a position, but let's see if it stays down. and it goes up. This shit might consolidate on us after that big move today. Let's break below, break below. Five-minute fucking 50 EMA, man. Wow, this shit's not doing what I want it to do. One thing I don't like is it not breaking below. I mean, it's below, but not breaking, right? Let's fall off. Come on, let's go. We'll make it way down. Yeah, I really don't know. I really don't know. A lot of consolidation. I mean, we're up $47, but that ain't doing shit of shit. I don't like that. Let's see if it can stay that way. Wow. This might be the most horrible open I've ever seen. Ay, ay, ay. This is crazy. I'm gonna give this sell one more shot. Actually, why am I even trying? I think we're in full consolidation mode. Price isn't moving the way we want it to move. This is a terrible open. Um, let's see what it does right here. I mean, let's see if it's gonna respect this and fly up. This is my last go around at this. I'm down $38 on the day. Still showing a lot of respect. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah. Last 8 seconds, it's doing that. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Super done for the day. This shit's bullshitting. I pulled out all my positions. I'm gonna call it quits because we're in full consolidation mode from what it looks like, and I feel like it has to fall off. But come on, man. Wow. Fucking wow. So this is my last go around. If it doesn't break through, and make the move that we wanted to make, then I'm going to go ahead and pull it, call it a day, down $101 on the day. So let's see. Let's see. I just wow, that shit is plain, man. Fall off, man. Fall off. Come on, man. Break through this motherfucker, man. Something about that fucking area. Has to break below here. Has to break below these wicks. This ILC, it has to break. It has to get through all this. If it doesn't get below here, then we're fucked. It has to get through here. Let's see if it can. Move your stops to break even again. Come on now. I'm gonna take some profits right here. Just because I don't know about this trade. Got me back to break even. Let's see. It's a lot of brain power I'm using right now. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't come back up on us because I'll be pissed. All right. I don't like that because it's still respecting the ILC. Could build on that. See this ILC? So let me tell you. The ILC is this thing right here. We need price to finish below here to let us know we're in business. This could come in, wick out, continue up. come in, wick out, continue up. So we need to see a strong finish. There's still 28 seconds left, which is a little too much time for price to do that, right? And make its way back up here. But these last 20 seconds, if we could see it finish bearish through here, like that, but finish bearish. I don't want to wick out. Then we could see price action as showing us it's coming down. But if it wicks out again, and forgot what the fucking opposite word of exhaustion is, but we need it to finish bearish down here. It's all right, but it's still wicked out a little bit, right? It's still showing the opposite of exhaustion. So it can still push up on us here. 15 minute. I like the way the 15-minute finished. Let's just see if it can come down for us. See, that's what I was saying, like, same thing here, right? It's like a rocket pad. That's what me and my boy used to call it, a rocket pad up. See, I don't like that. Last 8 seconds, it's finishing bullish. It could come all the way up on us, which I don't like. See. Yeah, if it stops me out of this one, I'll be done for the day. No doubt about that. So this LC needs to be broken. What I see it's doing is resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, hopefully, and it comes down. We'll see though, right? Because it's still respecting this trend line. What's the opposite of exhaustion?